In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Airbnb app on phone. To get started, unlock your phone and open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. This is where you'll find the official version of the Airbnb app, so starting in the correct store is important. Once the App Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Airbnb. As the search results appear, look for the official Airbnb app. Be sure to choose the real app from the results so you install the correct one. This helps avoid downloading anything unofficial or unrelated. After you find the app, tap Install if you're on Android or Get if you're using an iPhone. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to confirm the download with your password, face scan, fingerprint, or another verification method. If that happens, just follow the prompt on your screen to continue. Now give the app a moment to download and install. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and device performance, but in most cases, it should only take a short while. It's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data connection while the download finishes. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. This will take you directly into Airbnb so you can begin setting it up and exploring its features. If you already have an Airbnb account, go ahead and sign in using your existing login details. If you're new to Airbnb, tap Sign Up to create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions. The app is designed to guide you through this process clearly, so it should be easy to complete. You may also see prompts asking for permissions, such as notifications or location access. Allow any permissions that you need for the app to work the way you want. For example, location access can help you find nearby stays more easily, and notifications can keep you updated on bookings, messages, and trip information. Once you're in, you can start searching for places to stay, book trips, or manage hosting activities directly from the app. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded the Airbnb app on your phone and you're ready to start using it.